I'm Lucas Jones.
And I'm Rachel Jones, and we made our pick board control the NeoPixels using the keypad that was given in our kit.
We have 6 different modes that we can control the lights using. The first one modifies a single LED, so you give it an index from 0 to 7 for the spot of the LED you want to change, and then you're asked to enter the red, green, and blue values from 0 to 255. The next mode pushes up all the LEDs from the index that you start at. So like the first time, it asks for a spot, and then you give it a color with the red, green, and blue values, and then it outputs that color. Our third mode does the same thing but pushes down from the top. The fourth mode rotates everything up from the bottom and carries the top to the bottom. The fifth mode does the opposite. And the sixth mode colors all the LEDs.